Hi everyone, my name is Vikash Shukla, Information Technology student at Government Polytechnic, Lucknow. Currently, I am a trainee of Techpile Private Limited, which provides summer training and internship for all students for of BTech, Diploma and BC. Today, I am here to share a special feedback about the Techpile technologies. The atmosphere at Techpile is very supportive and comfortable. Rahul sir, Divya ma'am, and Abhishek Shukla sir, one of the best teacher of Techpile Private Limited. I have learned a lot under the guidance of them. If you are looking any technical skills in Lucknow, then you have to come Techpile. I believe this journey will help me to save my skills for my successful career. I especially thank to Rahul sir and Techpile to giving me this opportunity that I am putting my ideas and thoughts in front of all of you. There is a healthy competition between all students and daily task kit will enhance your working experience and your coding skills. The teacher, volunteers, and other staff and technical staff of Techpile Technologies have a very polite nature that make you feel a personal touch. Thank you.